Hi guys, I am Niva. I'm going to teach you addition, but using Play-Doh. This time you're going to use 2 Play-Dohs. So we're going to use first Play-Doh is orange and purple. So our first example is 8 plus 2 equals, we don't know the answer yet, so you're going to find it out. So on the orange Play-Doh we do 8 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 4 at the bottom. 5, 6, 7, 8. And then on the purple Play-Doh we're going to do 2 dots. 1, 2. Now we're going to count the dots up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now our answer is 10. Hey guys, I'm thinking why there is another question the same as the first question. It's because you're going to swap the numbers around. So, we got 2 added. So, as the same answer we got at the first was 10, so now our second answer was 10 again, because we swapped the numbers around and still makes 10. So now our answer is 10. Now we're going to move on to the second example. So on the second example, we're going to use green and yellow. Our first example is 3 plus 2 equals. We don't know the answer yet, so we can find it out. So on the green Play-Doh, we do 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. Now on the yellow Play-Doh, we do 2 dots. 1, 2. Now we're going to count the dots up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now our answer is 5. Again, you swap the numbers around. So 2 add 3 equals, so we still got the same answer, 5. So now our answer is 5. Thanks guys for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel.